it's very heartening to know that we have probably the maximum recoveries in the whole world. It's about 72 lakhs 59,509 in the whole country, while our growth rate is 0.5% at the national level. Your growth rate in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, is 0.4%, and we enjoy at the country level the highest recovery rate in the whole world. That's about 90.85%. But congratulations to you, because your recovery rate in Tamil Nadu is even higher than the national average, and it's about 94.5%. Fatality rate of India as well as Tamil Nadu continues to be 1.5% right now today. And while India has a doubling rate of about 131 days for 3 days, you have a doubling rate of 217 days right now. That is also very heartening to know. Our sample positivity rate at the national level is 7.6%. You have a sample positivity rate of 7.3%. And here also, I would like to congratulate you, because Tamil Nadu is probably one state where the example is worth emulating by others, because most of the tests that you are doing, almost 98-99% of the tests, that is what my officers have been following and telling me, that you are doing only RT-PCR test. So that is also a very good indication. We have over 2011 labs right now. Every day we are testing something between 1 to 1.5 million people, and we have already crossed the figure of 10 crores. It's right now 10 crores 60 lakhs that we have already tested. Other mathematical models, etc., proposed, they all are projecting good results in the next few months. And simultaneously, we are already working very hard on the vaccine front, and out of the 9 vaccine candidates all over the world who are in, you can say, advanced phases of clinical trial, 3 out of those 9 belong to India. We have drawn a list of the probables, or the people who should get the vaccine first, and that priority, etc., is also being shared with the states. Line listing of those who should get the vaccine, our health workers and our frontline workers, etc., and those people with comorbidities, that is all shared with the states also, and the states are also expected to draw those lists. So in the Union Ministry, we have already started working for last almost over 2-3 months now, and everything right from, procuring the vaccine to its delivery to the last man, and including all those transportation, cold chain and other things, they are all being worked out in great detail with electronic platform and use of digital applications, etc., etc.